In this video, you are going to see how to change the thickness of our shape outline in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. If I want to remove the shape fill, let us go to Shape Fill and make it no fill, and here is the outline. I want to increase or decrease the thickness of this. Click on over here, go to Shape Outline. I can change the color of outline. Go to Shape Outline, go to Wide, and I can increase or decrease the wide from here. Or let us click on right button and go to Format Shape, go to Line, and I can change the outline style like this, or I can increase or decrease the outline from here very easily, or I can change the color. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.